Have you ever been in a situation where you want something done, but you just don't want to do it yourself? What if we told you English has verbs to express that? Let's dive into the fascinating world of causative verbs. Hey everyone, welcome back to SAH English Insights, where we make learning English fun, easy, and full of real-world tips. I'm Syed Afzal Hussain, and today we've got something special for you, causative verbs. If you've ever wanted to express the idea of getting something done without doing it yourself, then this video is for you. First things first, what exactly are causative verbs? Well, causative verbs are verbs that show how the subject causes someone or something else to do something. But here's the catch. The subject isn't the one actually performing the action, it's just making it happen. Cool, right? So instead of saying, I did it, you can say, I got it done. Getting someone else to do something. Let's start with have. When you use have in a causative sentence, it means you're getting someone to do something for you. This is like telling someone, I need this done. Usage and explanation. The structure is subject plus, have plus object plus base verb. You are not doing the action yourself, but you are making sure it gets done. Examples. 1. I had my friend help me with my homework. 2. She had the mechanic repair her car. 3. They had the workers clean the office before the meeting. As you can see, have is used to show that you're making someone else do something. It's like you're the director and they're the actors. 2. Get, persuading or asking someone to do something. Next up, get. Get is a bit like have, but with a twist. It implies that you had to persuade, convince, or ask someone to do something. It's a little more informal and action-oriented. Usage and explanation. The structure is subject plus, get, plus object plus, to plus base verb. It's used when you want to show that you convinced or persuaded someone. Examples. 1. I got my brother to help me move. 2. She got the waiter to change her order. 3. They got their parents to approve the plan. See, when you use get, it's more about effort or influence. It's like you're saying, I got them to do it. After a little persuasion, of course. 3. Make. Force or require someone to do something. Now, let's talk about make. Make is used when someone is forced or required to do something. It can be more authoritative than get or have. Usage and explanation. The structure is subject plus make plus object plus base verb. This implies that the person has no choice but to do the action. Examples. 1. The teacher made the students stay after class. 2. The boss made me work late last night. 3. He made her apologize for her behavior. With make, you're not giving a choice. It's about creating a situation where someone has to do something, whether they like it or not. 4. Let, allowing someone to do something. On the other side, a let is all about permission. When you use let, you're allowing someone to do something. You're not forcing or persuading. They have the freedom to do it. Usage and explanation. The structure is subject plus, let plus, object plus, base verb. It's the opposite of make. Here, you're giving someone the green light. Examples. 1. She let me borrow her car for the weekend. 2. His parents let him stay out late last night. 3. I let my friend choose the movie for our night out. With let, you're in a position of permission, not control. You're saying, go ahead, do what you want. 5. Help, assisting someone with an action. Finally, we have help. Now, help is a bit different. It's not about forcing or persuading. It's simply about assisting someone to do something. You're not doing it for them, but you're making it easier. Usage and explanation. The structure is subject plus help plus object plus base verb, or subject plus help plus object plus to plus base verb. You're actively supporting someone in completing the action. Examples. 1. I helped my sister move into her new apartment. 2. They helped us clean up after the party. 3. She helped me understand the instructions. With help, you're like a guide, showing someone the way but not doing it all for them. It's a more supportive role. How to remember causative verbs. Quick tips. Alright, so here's a quick way to remember these causative verbs. Think of them like this. Have is like being a boss and assigning tasks. Get is about convincing. Make is about force or requirement. Let is about permission. And help is exactly what it sounds like, being a helpful hand. Recap of key points. Let's quickly recap. Have, you get someone to do something for you. Get, you persuade or ask someone to do something. Make, you force someone to do something. Let, you allow someone to do something. Help, you assist someone in doing something. What have you learned today? So, what have we learned today? We've covered causative verbs, how to express that you cause someone else to do something or help them along the way. The best part, these verbs are incredibly useful in real-life conversations. So next time you need something done, you'll know exactly how to say it in English. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful lessons. Don't forget to drop a comment below telling us which causative verb you use the most in your daily life. Thanks for watching SAH English Insights, and I'll see you next time.